Okay creators, let's talk about clips. A new way for you and your fans to share favorite moments from your videos and live streams. I'll walk you through what clips are and how to use them. Let's get started. First, what are clips? Let's say there's an epic moment from your latest live stream that fans want to share with their friends. Or maybe there's a cliffhanger from your latest video that you want to promote on social media to draw in more viewers. With clips, you and your fans can share 5 to 60 seconds of your existing content to highlight must-watch moments. Clips have their own shareable links, but they don't create new videos. They're only pointers to existing videos or streams. The clipped segment will play and loop on the underlying watch page, and anyone who watches the clip can easily check out your full video or stream. So think of clips as a way for you and your fans to drive new viewers to your existing content. And all metrics, such as views, watch time and ad revenue, will be attributed to your original video. Now let's walk through how to use clips. When signed into YouTube, click on the clip icon under an eligible video. Then, select the section of the video that you would like to clip. You can change the length of your selection by dragging on the slider. Finally, give the clip a title. Once it's ready, click on the Share Clip button, and then choose one of the sharing options. You and your viewers can only clip a 5 to 60 second continuous section of a video. Specific parts can't be stitched together. Now, if for some reason you don't want your content to be clipped, go into YouTube Studio and then Settings. Click on Channel and then Advanced Settings. Under Clips, check Don't allow viewers to clip my content. For more information about clips, check out the links in the description. Thank you for watching.